We will look at Microsoft Word, the basic foundation. We will also look at Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, the foundation. We will also look at Microsoft Excel, the foundation. We will also look at Microsoft Access database. And please, if you have any requests of anything that you did not understand or you want to do and you could not do it with your laptop, you can write it on the comment section of the videos. Whenever we read it, we will either record a video or we will send you a reply that will satisfy you. So what we have here is just that. Now today what we want to look at is how to create a folder in your computer. Okay, I have the folder that I have in my desktop. So if you want to create a folder, you have two ways. They are using the click method and then using the keyboard shortcut. So if you want to use the click method, what you do is you just put the cursor or the arrow at any empty part of your screen. Then you right click and then you come to new, then folder, you click on folder and then you give the name to your folder. Okay, my folder, and then you click enter. Alright, so if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, you hold control shift, then you click the N key. Okay, N. Okay, and then there you have it, and then you can write the name of your folder. Let me say job, and there it is. It is as easy as it is. Okay, now if you want us to continue this work and also you be notified all the time and you will be aware whenever we upload a video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And the most important thing is we are going to look at a lot of things in all these subsequent videos that are soon as coming. Is how to create a Microsoft Word in a given folder. Now our previous video we have created a folder, and this time we want to create a Microsoft file in that folder. So we can open our folder by let me show you how to open a folder in different ways. You can double click on it this way. Let me do it, please. Okay, you can double click, it will be open. You can also right click, then click open, and then you open your folder. And when you want to create a Microsoft Word file, there are too many ways. Okay, the other one is by clicking on the new items here, and then you click on Word, and there it is. You can say my Word. Okay, and then you click enter. There it is. You can also right click at any empty space here. When the arrow is stood on the space, you click the right part of your mouse and then come to new here. Then here it is, Microsoft Word document. You click on it and then give it a name, my work, then do click enter. Good. You can also open your Microsoft Word here. Let's say do it this way. You can find it, Word. It's already here anyway. Click on it and then it will be open. You click and then you come to file here. Right, save as, browse. Now find the location where do you want to save your file. All right, I want to save it in my desktop. That is where my folder is. And I can find my folder, open it, then I will leave this name as it is so that it will be different from the first ones that I've created, and then I can click it and there it is. Okay, so basically this is how you create a Microsoft Word file. So do you know that when your Microsoft Office is not activated, your data is always exposed to a security threat? So now how do you know whether your Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office is being activated? Now on this lesson, that is what we want to show you. So if you want to know whether your Microsoft Office is not activated, you can open any of the software related to Microsoft Office, and then we are going to open our Microsoft Word to check whether our Microsoft Office is activated. So what we do, we just click on Microsoft Word and then find out. So we click on blank document to open it, then we come to our file tab. So we come to account, click, and then you will see product information, the logo, and then product activated. So it shows you that this product that I am using, it is being activated. Okay, the name is Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016, and then this product contains Access Database, Excel, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint presentation, Publisher, Microsoft Word, and Skype. So if your product is not showing something like this, if you open your this face interface here and you do not see something like this, you don't see something like product activated, then find another one which is activated, because your data will always be exposed to threat. Okay, and then sometime it will not be activated, but it will give you a specific days or a specific period for it to be failed, or if it is already failed, it will show you product activation failed. So it will show you something like change, or sorry, buy product key, or something like that. Okay, and the good news is we have product that is already activated, and then we are offering it for free. So if you are anywhere close to Gambia or anywhere in the Gambia here, you can just contact us. We will leave our contact on the description section of the video, so you can contact us at any time, and we will give you our location, and possibly we will also indicate our location on the comment section or on the description section of the video, so that you can get to us anytime you need it, and then we would like to see you. And please, if you have any question that you want to ask or anything that you want to know, don't hesitate to state it in the comment section. The features of Microsoft Word. So the first feature that we will look at is the quick access toolbar, and the quick access toolbar is this bar that you are seeing on top here. Okay, so this toolbar, it is a bar which you add icons that you use most frequently. For example, if this is an icon that I always need, let me choose this one. If this text effect is the icon that I need most frequently, I can click on it, right click, then add it to my quick access toolbar, and it will be there. So this quick access toolbar, whenever you want to use it, okay, so whenever you want to use text effect on this one, you can just come here and then click on it, so you will have the effect that you want. Okay, for example, if it is here and then you want to use, let me take something like this one. Sorry, let me come to insert tab, and I want to take something that will be quick. Okay, so for example, this left indentation. Okay, I can add to my quick access toolbar. Now, whenever I want to increase the indent, all I will do is, okay, now let's look at what will happen here. Okay, I can increase and then it will start going, and then I can also decrease. So it is easier to access to some of the tools or ribbons that you be using or you are using most frequently. So you can right click on it also and remove it if you don't need it any longer. So basically, this is the first feature that we want us to discuss. That is the quick access toolbar. All these ribbons you are seeing here, they were being added here, so you can also remove them as well. Like this one, I can also right click and then remove it. Good. So today what we want to look at is the tabs in Microsoft Word. So when we talk about the tabs, we mean these names that you see on top here that I am showing you this way. And then the first tab we have is File tab, then we have Home tab, then we have Insert tab, then we have Design tab, Layout tab, References, Mailing, Review, View, and Help tab. Okay, so let's just look at the File tab. The file tab is where you will get some of this information. Okay, that is document protection, inspection, and then managing document. And you see something new here, like if you want to bring a new document, a blank document or an already formatted document, or you want to open to search for an existing document, or you want to save or save as, you want to print, share, export, or close, or check any other option that you have. Okay, we also have home tab, which consists of groups. Sorry, it consists of some groups, that is for clipboard, font group, paragraph group, style group, and editing group. Okay, insert tab is also the same. It has various groups that are embedded under it. You also have design tab. It has some groups also, like document formatting and then page background. Okay, you also have layout tab, and then it is also divided into group, references, mailing, and then you also have review, view, and then help tab. So now let me show you the quick way to jump from a group, sorry, from a tab to another tab. You have this key on your keyboard. Okay, Alt. Okay, so if you click Alt, then you click any notified letter that is shown here. So let me show you the example. If I hold on click, you will see letters being written here, and then this is F. If I click F, it will take me to file tab, and then it will still ask me to click a letter to reference these icons. Okay, if you hold it, you will see N. If you click N, it will bring you to insert tab. Okay, if you call it, it will give you this name. So any letter that you click here, it will go direct to that person. So that is how you jump from a tab to another tab without using the mouse. So please, if you like our videos, share it, like it, and subscribe to our channel, so that don't also forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified the status bar under the features of Microsoft Word document. So Microsoft Word, as we said, has so many features, and we discussed the quick access toolbar, we discussed the tabs. Look at the status bar. So the status bar is this bar that is under here, where you have page number, page, and then number of words, and then the language you are using. So here there are limited icons here. So and then I can add some of the icons that I want to be seeing whenever I am doing my work. So you can right click here, you can place your arrow here, you right click, then you select the ones you want to be visible. Okay, you can click on the line number, and it will be there, so that whenever you are writing, the number of line, or the line number that your cursor is standing will be shown on this status bar here. Okay, you can also state whether the cap is locked or unlocked. You can also bring either signature that is also there, columns, sections. Okay, whatever you add, it will be there. So these ones, I don't need them at this moment, so I am going to remove them. But anyone you need, you can add it to your document, so that you'll be seeing it here. Okay, so this is the status bar, and then it is not actually part of what I want to show you, but it's also important that in this scroll bar, okay, this one will help you to go up and down. Okay, I will also show you the ruler. As you see here, there is no ruler here that shows where my cursor is at which centimeter, or if I am typing in, okay, where it is standing, I don't know. I don't know the number of centimeters I am measuring, or the inches I am measuring. So if you want to bring out your ruler, here it is where you find it. You come to view tab, and then you click on ruler, so it will be shown here. Okay, now this ruler is in centimeters. There is a way to change it in inches. I will show you that one in our next video. So please don't miss any video. Subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload a video, you will be notified. Today we want to look at how to move between tabs using the keyboard. So it is very easy to move from tab to another tab, or from a tab to another tab, or to jump between tabs using the keyboard or your computer keyboard. So what you have to do is you have to know first the Alt key, the Alt key beside your window logo key or your space bar. So if you hold it or if you click on it, it will show you reference letters of where you want to move, and these letters you will click them from the keyboard that you are using. So let's say if I want to move to insert tab, so I will just click on the letter N. If I click on it on the keyboard, then it will take me to insert tab, and it will still leave all these references so that I can apply any of which I want. So if I want to insert a table, I will just have to click on T, and then it's there, and it will show me whether I want to insert a table or throw a table or bring an Excel sheet or quick tables. So here I just want to insert a table, so I'll just click on I to bring it down. So if you have this, you have to determine the number of columns you want your table to have. So I just want 3 columns, so I can use the down arrow of my keyboard so that I can reduce it to 3 columns. So if I want to jump to rows, then I will click on tab key above, a little bit above the cap lock. So the tab key, that if I click it, it will move to the other section. Then I want for rows. So if I am done, I just click enter, and then I have my table. So I think this is very easy for you. So let me also move from home tab to insert tab, or from where I am right now, it is on design, table design, and then these tabs will be shown when you are on the table. So if I click on ALT, that is alt, it will give me reference. Now I want to go to view tab so that I can off my my ruler. So I will just go to double, I will just click double, and it is under view tab. Then I click on R, so there it is, my ruler is off. How to use the clipboard in Microsoft Word. And looking at this one, we will be looking at how to copy, how to paste, how to move, and how to use format painter. So before I go, let me give some formatting to this paragraph. Okay, I will keep the headings to be red, and then this one I'll make them bold and a bit bigger. Okay, I'll make them bold and then a bit bigger. Good. Now what we want to do here is we want to move this paragraph, we want to copy it to be down here, to come down here, so that it will be a fourth paragraph. So if you want to copy a paragraph, you have to highlight it, and when you are highlighting, you place the cursor here. You can hold shift and then control, you move down, and then it will all be selected. Or you can also use the mouse to drag, you click on right and hold it, then you move, so it will be highlighted. Then you click on copy, and then you come to where you want to paste it, you click on paste, it is there. So if you want to move a paragraph, let me say I want to move this paragraph down, so I can highlight it just as the way I highlight the other one, the first one. Then I will come to cut, and then cut it, it is gone. And then I can come here, let me bring this one down, and then I will say paste, it will be pasted. Okay, so if I also want this paragraph in the middle here to look like this paragraph, I can highlight any part of this paragraph here, and then I will come and click on format painter. Then I will come and stand here. You can see the small brush showing that it is going to give a paint of the highlighted paragraph or the highlighted word. So I can hold the right part of the mouse and then drag it off and leave it, so it will be the same format. You see this one, the size is 14, and then bold. This one also, look at it, the size is 14 and it is also bold. So I'm using the clipboard is pretty easy, right? You can also check what type of what you have on your clipboard by clicking on this arrow here, and then you will see these are the things you have copied in your keyword, and you can also clear it so that it is no more there. Now that we want to look at the font group, and then what we are going to look at is how to bold text, how to italicize, and then so on. So let's get started. So let's say we want to bold this text, we just highlight it. Okay, we highlighted this here, or we just stand here and then hold shift key and then we move to highlight the text and then we click on bold, it will be bold. If you want to italicize, you can click on I here, it will be italicized, and then you can click on U, it will click on U, it will be underlined. So you can also remove them anytime you want to remove them. That is when we already highlighted. Okay, if you want to change the font type also, you can choose any type that you want so that your text will look nice and attractive. And then you can also change the size using this one, and then you see it will be moving according to the size I'm selecting. So I can leave it to 72. Well, here it stops at 72, and then let's say we want something bigger than that, then we can also use this one, it will go beyond that. And then let's say if you want something like 500, you can click on 500 and then you click on enter, it will be 500. Now we want this one, so we can just limit it to 72. Okay, we want to change it to uppercase or lowercase or any type of text that you want. You can use this icon here, this case, so that we can change it from any case to another case. Now everything is in lower case, and then you can also come here and then put everything in uppercase, or you can also capitalize each word at the beginning of each word, and then you can also toggle it to make it in a mixed form. Now let me to sentence case. Okay, we want to change the color also, the font color. You can come here and then you can choose any attractive color that we want. Okay, if you want to change the text highlight color, you can also put any highlight color that you want, and then if you want to remove, you can just highlight it and then click on here, then we say no color, so there it remove. You can also go for the text effect and then choose any type you want. So let me highlight it first. We go to text effect, we change it to anyone we also want. Okay, you can choose any type you want. So let's say we do this all this formatting and then we don't want it anymore. You can just come to clear all formatting, and then there it is gone. Right now I want to say thank you for your time, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Until we meet again, goodbye.